Good day, I trust you all. So you're speaking to Fasih from We Buy Console CPT. So what do we have over here? We got a very nice Xbox Series S 512 gig SSD with one controller. It's only going for 5,999 here at We Buy Console CPT. We have 100% positive reviews on Google and PopShop. So those individuals that want to purchase a pre-owned device, they're looking for a Series S, they're not sure where to purchase it from, they're looking to purchase a pre-owned quality premium product from a reputable organization, give us a shout on 079-737-1913. We ship nationwide, doesn't matter where in South Africa you are, and shipping on this device is free. So it's 5,999. We ship it safe and securely directly to you. If you want to have a look at who we are, visit us on our website, which is www.webuyconsolecpt.co.za, and don't hesitate to give us a shout if you have any question, and the device also comes with a warranty. So yes, we're looking forward to selling this amazing box device to the prospective buyer.